Zimbabwe has officially announced these days the path to the de-dollarization. Following the principles of the BRICS alliance, the government of Zimbabwe has approved a plan that will make the local currency, the Zimbabwean dollar, the sole legal tender for all transactions, replacing the US dollar. The Ministry of Finance will soon reveal the details of the plan, and the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe will implement additional measures to ensure its success. The de-dollarization comes as Zimbabwe seeks to join the BRICS alliance, which encourages developing countries to strengthen their local currency and reduce dependence on the dollar. According to the Ministry of Information, the centralization of the Zimbabwean dollar throughout the country is scheduled for 2026, bringing forward the original goal of 2030. Betting on goal and getting rid of the dollar in Zimbabwe spanned President Emerson Mnangagwa into the possible adoption of the Zimbabwean gold as the only currency from 2026, a proposal that was supported by bankers. The goal is to have a single currency in Zimbabwe by 2030. Pace can be accelerated by managing Zimbabwean gold inflation and creating reserves. Authorities prepare to execute sanctions against people involved in unfair price gouging, Zimbabwean gold currency manipulation, smuggling, and all forms of unfair trade practice. To both the use of the currency launched in April is backed by the country's gold and foreign currency reserves held by the central bank. Digital gold tokens allow those holding small amounts of Zimbabwe dollars to exchange their money for tokens to store value and protect against exchange rate volatility. The Central Bank of Zimbabwe has released more Mosi or Tunia gold coins to the market to check the recent depreciation of the Zimbabwean dollar in the parallel market. The Mosi or Tunia gold coin was introduced in Zimbabwe in 2022 to curb rising inflation. The coins weigh 1 troy ounce and are made of 22-karat gold, about $2,170 by 2022. More than 11,000 coins had been sold.